EVOS.com.
What's up guys, welcome to my channel, Daddy Shark Gaming YT, and this is my baby. Okay, so today I'll be making a Facebook cover photo for a good friend of mine, EVOS.PH, one and only Honda. Okay, so this design, okay na to sa kanya, but the picture that we will use is babaguhin pa. Medyo pixelated and may kalabuan kasi. I don't have the original high resolution picture. And then they will also be having their new uniforms by Saturday. That's why uulitin ko na lang to. I really don't know what to do at the start, kaya try and try lang. Magandang pwestuhan. I just wanna show you guys the speed art. Hope you like it. Daddy Shark and Baby Shark out. What's your name? 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 What's your name?